Oh, I like that right there. Whatever is going on, I like that right there. That girl that was sliding on my inbox last night.
Like a painting, nice you. Make you happy, so busy. See it from far, I'm a peep you. A pussy fat in your jaws and a peep you. You have your own place, your own vehicle. Make we fuck, we not care about people. Make your man look up in an ego. We kill people,
me tell you how we look again.
Hello,
oh God,
Miss Title. Left your man, make quick up and a hideout. And I mean you for call when the night cold. My push it up in your belly, make your eye roll. King Midas, make it be my pipe out. So you hear gunshot when you drive out. I'm a bleach, I'm a clean, I'm a white out. I'm rubbing up the cream, I'm feel like Michael Jackson. Lean to the side, rocks up. And a little boy I chat to. Grizzly use a 17 and box you. Feel like Michael Jackson. Lean to the side, rocks up. Little girl like you, me a chat to. You don't really want me be mad you. Feel like Michael. There's so with 5 girls, including my main teacher inside girl. Girl we have no like 5 girls. She has a bike and it's close to 5 girls. From putting like this, it's what's this. All of these and
everybody in a vibe girl right now. Let me show them how we act.
Bounce, you're my on the jump. I saw one when it comes back stick. Bounce. They got funds, bounce. Baby and girl drum that I rip chrome jeans, bring it big 14. I'm a drip, them a shine like thing gold teeth. And a face by drip in a tweet machine. Shanique, say some man fizz with a sweet. Cool like a
everybody in the chat right now, if you like the vibe, let me see some fire emoji.
iPhone 15, in Magnum smoky right now, so we are bounce. We run a pump, I'm in a drum.
Everybody tuning in to Vice Friday, this your boy against J Dr. Sound, the building the whole squad there. Rest of this week, we are promote something for Sunday called the Lovers Rock Affair. But people, the ticket them cheap. And it's all you can eat. So if you never eat Saturday night after the club, you don't know where I'm gonna tell you what figure Sunday morning, right? But like Mr. Wade, I rock and go in. Where's the producer? We ready? Where's the ready? Everybody in the chat right now. Yo, check the YouTube real quick. Like the vibe, subscribe. And if you like the vibe, subscribe. If you like the vibe on a Friday night, and if you like the vibe, subscribe. We're fully active right now, you know? Aye. Bella, wherever you are, me Bella. Me Bella. We could go on with the vibe right now, so we go to then. You see, we ready? You see, what you see right now? We're ready. We're ready. Everybody in the chat right now, I want you to go to the link in the bio. We're about to start the show. Go in the link in the bio. Me a whole heap of people over here. Me just want to see it drop one by one. I'll be taking attendance in the YouTube chat. Mr. Nadrick, how over here? Me can't see everybody over here. I'm read off some name. Nadrick, 9, Bucky, Gary, Goods. Come on. Come on. Crystal, where you there?
Yeah, repeat. Yeah, I don't know about bad man a party. When it up, make we bounce. You run a pump, on a jump. That's what one. When it come back, stick. Bounce. We got funds, I rap it on. in a drip, them a shine like dingo teeth. And a face by drip in a quick machine. Genique, say some in face of me sweet. Cool like a breeze, get blue in a kiss. 3 bag of girls, 2 Japanese. Take my picture, phone 15.
Oh, bones.
We bring my pump, but me not junk. I saw one when I come back, stick.
All right, people, like we said, we about to start the show. Everybody over here in TikTok right now, click the link in my bio. Click the link in my bio. We're going live on YouTube right now. We're fully active on the YouTube right now. I'm jumping ship. I appreciate you over here on TikTok world. I'm about to end the live. So please, me expect to see all 6 million on my YouTube chat. The YouTube chat. Please go. We're going to end the live right now. We are in it. We are in it. All the 6 million people over here. We are in it. We are in it. We are in it. We are in it. Come on. Come on. We are jumping.
I'm not jump.
Bang, 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 bang.
We got funds. I rap it on. I say around, but we are girl drum. That guy rip club jeans, bring it big 14. I'm a tip, them a shine like dingo teeth. And a face by drip in a big machine. Genique, say some and face with no sweet. Cool like a breeze, we upload on a hiss. 3 bag of girls, 2 Japanese. Take my picture on the iPhone 15. The Magnum smoking right now, so we are bones. We run my pump, but me not jump. I saw one when I come back, stick. We got funds, we got gun, yo, so we talk when we anti-drugs. Them say get the money, up us some money, up us some of that shit. That's how she bubble, up she a bubble, like a pack of bubble. Go in the back, but the wine and broke it up. Say I'm not and I double cup. And it can make your body tough. I'm a money that body can shut it up. Anything we be say side, go see me a bounce. We run my phone, but me not junk. I saw one when I come back, stick. We got funds, we got gun, yo, so we talk when we anti-drugs.
Everybody, we're telling you right now, this is another episode of Vibes Friday. This is your boy Gallus J. Oh, sorry, let me adjust this up. You know, Kenny talk already. You think I'm have to be stay away and Longhorn and all of these places. You know, bartender's voice always loud. You know what crazy?
Gotta be loud for it.
But we don't talk, you know. That's the crazy part.
Active, man.
We're not active. We're fully active, man.
Yeah, you know what's crazy? Our guests, beautiful ladies, popped in before Dr. Sarah.
What is that?
Dr. Sarah was an hour.
Well, we're not gonna do that. We're not gonna do that. You're not gonna bantan my friend, you know.
No.
You're not gonna bantan my friend, you know.
The gases pulled up an hour
Prompt.
before Dr. Sarah.
Yo.
No. Alright, hear me I say no.
So I feel like we go through this quite often.
Yeah.
So I work.
Hour is crazy.
I work.
Alright, you know
you
what?
don't
Alright.
gotta put your business out there. We
Guys
already
is
know.
hold on. Let me steer this ship real quick and fast.
Pump some music for that.
Alright, so people, like I said, this is your boy Gallus J.
Got the sour.
You can't talk.
Dr. Sarah was late.
Oh, that's your intro?
Yes.
Yeah.
And we have some
Yes.
beautiful guests in the building and they're
Yes,
here
we
to
do.
promote their businesses and some upcoming events that's coming. But before we get to that, we're going to shout out some events. We're going to shout out whoever got a birthday. Big shout outs to the chat that's been rocking with me since the show started. And that's about it for now. So before that, we want to get this out that way before we get. Let's get our cups up, everybody in the chat.
What's up?
Cups up, everybody, cups up. Cups
Yo,
up, everybody, cups up. Yeah. So like you know, we always said, we was here last week.
Here again today.
Dr. Sarah was late.
And for that, we thank God. And again, anybody that's celebrating anything special that we don't know of, this special
Birthdays, anything this week?
Yeah, this is for y'all, right?
Shouts out to
Well, Uncle Tommy's birthday.
Tomorrow, we never just say yet.
That's okay. So tomorrow's birthday. All right.
Yeah, man, I hurt my dog.
Woo! Let's shout out to some people in the chat. Where people in the chat, drop some comments so I can know y'all here. I know y'all watching, I can see y'all watching, but I gotta see y'all comments so I can give y'all the proper shout out. But for right now, like I said, we're there. Our topics today is we're about to promote this brunch that we about to fuck up on Sunday. It should about to be all you can. Whenever I hear about the all you can eat brunch shit, but we'll get more into that.
Oh, word?
And the next topic, we're president are going with some things. I don't know if we forgot me either this year. I don't know, but we'll talk and figure it out.
Okay.
But before we get into that,
And we got some beautiful ladies.
yeah, we shot them out already, but I met them hear
No,
them
you
voice.
said what's going on? Like, what's...
But we got some events.
You
that
didn't even introduce me to the guests. That's crazy. Dr. Sour's late. You introduced me to the guests.
Some people introduce you when you walk in with your mask and holding your head. As soon as you see me.
I'm just saying, you know.
You know, some never see a doctor man before.
I thought you fired us.
What?
And got new co-hosts, you know.
That's so you check. That's so you check the
Because
chat.
you've been going on with a lot of shit. I actually did check the chat. I was late for the group call last night because I had to go to work this morning, so I had to go to bed.
The red count is not being here?
No.
Yes, it is. But anyway, because
No, first of all, we usually have minutes and stuff like that, but I think the manager is on vacation still. Anyways, what you call it? Yeah. The manager is on vacation right now.
I was late.
I thought I was going to be in minutes.
See, we can't make Bucky talking no kind of junk. Pay attention.
Yeah, I told y'all.
You're right.
You have a 30-second speech
We
limit.
had this discussion already. You're right. Hey,
All right.
all right.
So,
all right.
Two events me know when me I go promote. The third one is tomorrow, but before that, I got It's a Party, and that's March 28th.
March 28th?
California Brew House, and that's by Mafia.
It's Brew House, man.
Me not brew no house. California place over
It's
on
not
Greece.
Brew House.
Shout out to the One Mafia family, Javi One, and everybody who have pushed that. And then I
Brew
get
House.
after that. Yeah, yo, Javi. I know you work for something for the new year. Please come. You know the show always. What the word me look for? Accepting guests.
Always.
Last time you found you do a whole hour performance like.
Yeah, man, he
like
ain't been back. He fucked up the stage and ain't been back since.
Right
Hour.
now, Jumbo one is alumni
And don't
of
forget
Live
the big
Vibes.
badass prestige. The
Yeah.
two of them a problem. So right now, people, we just gotta get into the show before we get into that. Anybody got anything going on? How's everybody? Wait, before we get into that.
Last week, man.
No.
My fault. Go ahead.
No.
Sponsors.
Watch out. Yeah, do that.
Sponsors.
Do that.
Man. First and foremost, man, shouts out to all of our sponsors, man. You already know where we at over here. I'm everywhere right now.
Yeah,
I feel like.
Main
I
camera.
over here, sir, the main
All
camera.
right. Yo, so always one of my favorite sponsors, man. Anonymous Exotics, yo. Always. One Love Window Cleaning, man. Always One Love Window Cleaning, man.
Yes,
So-
sir.
And my favorite sponsor, and I don't know, DNK Catering.
Yeah, I'm
You know,
ready
some
to-
link the general for some
shouts out.
carrot punch tonight, and to blood clot. Let me talk about that
Yeah.
for the carrot punch. But we got another toast. Remember before birthday,
Oh,
now.
yo, we crazy. Yeah, we tripping.
It's wifey birthday for Short Boss.
Oh yeah, it was a few nights ago.
Yes.
Well, I think it was yesterday.
So shout out to
Yeah, shouts out
I
to
think her
Queen,
name is Keisha. Me always call her moms, you know, cause me, you know, find out people who man me not really take
Queen.
interest. Shout out to you, Queen, and your Earth song. Yo, shot dog, DNK Catering. This comes up for
big
y'all,
up
yeah?
himself. Whole DNK catering team. Big up himself. I don't know.
All right, so what you say we are doing now, Kenny? We do the sponsors them, right?
Mr. All In, man. All In Podcast Network, man.
You know, see, I chew your talk.
Alright, bump some music.
I
for
chew
now,
your
bro,
talk,
right
you know.
now, 'cause right now we're getting there for free.
I chew your talk, you know. I chew your talk.
It shouts out to All In Podcast Network, always, man.
But you know, more I shout out most importantly, our new guesses. Is there guest
Finally, you motherfucker.
I guess this is.
That's crazy.
That was a drum roll, nigga.
I'm just saying.
But like I said, our guestesses,
Oh, guess this is.
they bestesses. Let me stop.
Have we ever had a double guest before? Like, we had two people pull up?
Yeah, we have.
No, two females at once.
Yeah.
Oh, word?
Yeah,
All right,
man.
bet.
Fluffy and
But-
Oh, we
But
out here
like,
then.
like what me always do it. Since
Okay.
I always do our intro where whoever. Let me ask how me can put this. Since you know her the longest, I'm gonna let you do the big intro. But all I know is that's my baby, my sister.
Well, I don't know none of them.
I
Here,
got you with both of them. I
So
know
you
both-
gotta
I know both
introduce
of them
them
for a
to me.
while.
Yeah.
I know both of them for a little minute, yo.
Okay.
I got
all right, run it off.
So
So you gonna just show your age? Okay.
Cool.
Go ahead.
I show my age.
You just showing your age. You late, but go ahead.
I'm showing their age too.
Go ahead.
Right, like I feel like you're alive.
Yeah.
Oh. Dang, I could have met them last year.
Right. Don't do that.
Damn.
Yo,
Because I just earlier me argue with her, tell her say she my age, and she said no.
Oh, what?
No.
Sorry.
But carry on.
Sorry.
Yo, so man, right now in the building, man, we got the lovely Miss I don't know which one to go by, because I can call you government now.
No, don't do the government, but
You will go by your business name? Gigi. We go by Gigi. All right. We got Gigi in the building, and the lovely Miss
go ahead with the government.
I was gonna say Cam, but I could go with Camille.
Yeah.
Because they know you.
Yeah,
That's what they know you as. Yeah, they already know her. Yeah. With Miss Camille Mason. I wasn't gonna say Walker, but
I mean, right up on the board as Walker. Come and tell us a minute.
Camille.
we can't do that. We can't do the.
We can.
But we know what family she. What's the family she belong to?
That's what I said.
Both of them actually. Both of them belong to the family.
Let me tell you, you see the family with them are part of, like me tell you, some big mother family, but we talk about that on the private life. Our father is known in the Jamaican community as a big staple, right? He's 30 years in the restaurant, or is it 25?
No, it's 20 years this year.
20 years, 20.
This
And
year 20.
yeah, this year's a 28 for the that one right there. You put it.
You gotta turn. You can turn it up.
Yeah.
Up.
So like I
Turn
said,
them up.
Livy's restaurant is the production of this beautiful young lady. Not the restaurant itself, because the mommy and daddy own it. And this year is their 20th anniversary, and this summer they're going to be doing something big and crazy at the park and at the.
Every summer we
Family
get
fun day.
Yeah, no, this year they're going crazy because it's the 20th, and I think
Well,
it's
it's 10 years.
for the
for the-
I
family
think for the
fun day.
family fun day.
But the
And 20
restaurant
for the
itself big
restaurant.
20.
Correct.
yeah, so it's a double banger.
Okay.
But you see how we are talking about restaurant and family and all of these things, Camille. Please let the people know what you're about and why you're here, and let's get the ball rolling.
Yeah, call me enough for them. A lot of people.
And him not
business.
know, so we have to give him a thorough investigation.
Yeah, them
You see the
know.
eyes? Ballistic side eye.
Alright, so Sunday I am cooking and hosting a curated event. So it's about the food, not necessarily like a typical brunch where you come and hang out and drink and party. This is about the food. I've been in the South for a long time and just dealing with like Florida, Texas, and being born in Jamaica. So everything kind of fuses together. Our cuisine kind of overlaps a lot of things. So this brunch is essentially the marriage between Afro-Caribbean Southern food, and showcasing that and being able to bring that to Rochester and bringing something different
Love a good
to
fusion.
the
Everything
to the
fusion.
like
I love food
like
in
the
general.
restaurants and the food vibes.
Okay.
All right, so my
I'm
question is, how
Help
long have you
yourselves.
been doing this? Because I've seen you in the restaurant helping out and stuff. So is this like your
Right.
own thing, stepping outside of
Yeah,
that, or
so
is
this is very different than
Okay.
Livvy's Jamaican restaurant. Like the food that I cook is not the traditional Jamaican dishes that Livvy's
It won't be on the
offers.
menu there. That's what you're saying.
Correct. So yeah,
Yeah, we're
don't
not
go
off
and,
that. Yeah, living in the
Don't go there
office.
trying to ask
Because
for
you
nothing.
No, I
definitely
still agree
get the
with you.
attitude right. Do
Yeah.
not ask for the Rasta pasta on a regular
Yeah.
day. This is just me, like
Okay.
showcasing like essentially the traditional Jamaican upbringing that I have and
Where you go down
like
south,
all of
Valerie?
the travels that I've done and what that looks like. I guess in food version.
Gotcha.
That's a real
Jay, I
well.
got it in a come. I know you love your belly, you know.
But the only reason why I'm going to
No,
participate,
you
well,
love your
me
belly.
have three reasons. Me never don't count them. First reason, if me not go, they might go look for me for child support. Second reason,
Gotcha, God.
I
That
get
was safe.
$45 for all you can eat.
You keep
Okay,
saying
per
all
person?
you can eat.
And that me I go eat
Per
for
person?
$45.
Or is that
I
special?
can eat
Is
for
that
45.
All right, so the menu, it's a buffet style menu.
okay?
So everything that's on the menu you can try. It's not just one plate. That's it. So you can try essentially everything. Every brunch that I host, the menu will change. It will be something
Yeah,
different.
yeah.
So what's offered this time will not necessarily be offered next time.
Okay.
Also,
What
it's
if-
a limited capacity. Like,
Okay.
once tickets are sold, please do not show up at the day of thinking you're gonna
Get
get
food.
in, because like I said,
It's
it's
not
not,
the club.
like a party.
Yeah, it's not the
So if you
club.
come up, if you trying to pull up Sunday and get your ticket, if you ain't got a ticket, pull it
Yeah,
up
it's some
Sunday.
exclusive
not
shit. I like it.
So
Right.
when are you gonna
Exactly.
take the tickets off? When is it
I
offline?
think like midnight
Tomorrow?
Saturday.
Midnight
Alright,
Saturday.
perfect.
Okay,
So
y'all
people
got time. Y'all got
Just
time.
know the Lovers Rock Brunch.
Yeah.
The tickets are on sale on Eventbrite.
What time? What
Yeah.
time?
And it's
What
at
time do I
12
gotta show up? Cause my friend them late.
Yeah, 12 to
12 to
4.
4?
Where
Yeah.
at again? Where is it at again?
12 p.m. All right, guys.
12 p.m. Not 12 a.m.
I'm
Not
asking
12 a.m. to 4.
for, I was asking for a friend, you know.
Alright.
I was asking for a friend because you know,
Right, you want to pull up at 12 a.m. trying to get some food?
No,
some
no.
brunch? Some brunch?
So let me give you all the information. Like I said, that's 12 p.m. to 4 p.m.
Right.
Yeah.
Lovers Rock Brunch and Howard Road. What's the number again? 50.
80. What is it? It's
Okay. No.
Alright, so
Where the food
you
at?
can't
we
miss
don't have
it.
to flip on the phone.
We wanna know the food.
Yeah, like I said, if we don't know, if people in Rochester, if y'all know where Walmart is and the post office, or
Crush it.
Panera, if you know
Next
where
to Panera.
Panera is, engage.
Yo, you
you'll
know what's
find
so
it.
funny?
Oh,
I
so
was
you
talking to this.
it's at Livevybz restaurant.
It's
Yeah, it's at
Livevybz.
I'm gonna need you to
Yo,
take
you
the
know-
mask off.
you know what's-
1583 Howard Road.
Okay, there we go.
1583.
Yo, you know what's so funny about it is that today I was talking to this lady at my job about it because she was saying that she was coming to it and everything. She was getting her ticket
Okay.
today. And she is like, so where is it? I was like, it's on Howard Road. She said, I used to work at the Panera Howard Road. I'm
there
like,
you
it's
Right,
right
there.
right
You
there.
ain't gonna miss
know
it.
it's- You know where it's at then already.
Okay.
You already know where it's at.
So that's Sunday. So people, y'all got something to look forward to on
So
Sunday.
yeah, after you leave Tommy's party,
yeah.
Woke up with a hangover.
right?
Yeah,
come
okay.
Settle your belly.
That's
And
a
you better
hangover
make sure
plate
you
right
have
there.
your
So
ticket.
tomorrow,
Right.
as you hear, come here,
Tickets
say
only.
after Uncle Tommy party tomorrow night.
Tickets only.
Yeah, and
Not
check
Uncle Tommy
Eventbrite.
party. You can't pay the door, but tickets only for the brunch.
No,
What door?
I just said don't show up, and then you telling the people.
No,
that
we said no. Me I tell it.
For
No,
Tommy? For Tommy?
no, I'm saying you can pay the door for Uncle Tommy party.
Oh.
For Tommy party. Okay.
Yo, come here.
You know what they say? Act for me now.
Come
but I
in.
saw
Come here. You see, if you're looking at the corner over there, we got some pool noodles.
Oh, yeah.
That's when you get out the hand.
Crazy.
That's when you get out the hand.
All right.
Yo, so now that's it. This is what's going on Saturday night though. Since we talk about
Uncle
that,
Tommy.
Yeah. Can we talk about it real quick?
We
man?
just segued. You just
That
slow
was
with it.
my
but-
fault. That was on me.
It's
Did I-
because
did
he
I
was
follow
late.
it?
Yeah, it's because he was late.
I'm
Well,
late to
I-
class with this one.
Yeah.
Now, a good segue. So, like we was talking about, was Uncle Tommy's birthday.
Yeah, and I don't know tomorrow.
Earthstrong. My
I love
fault.
it here.
Tomorrow night.
Tomorrow night.
Yes,
Father
sir.
Tommy.
What's crazy is I thought it was tonight. I was like, damn.
I did ask it too.
That's why I asked you. Like, you touching the road? And I'm like, you said yeah. I'm like,
y'all,
damn.
y'all also
Yeah.
thought
I'm
Barclays was
tired.
in Italy or something. Was in
I
Europe.
was the Barclays there in England. Me,
Yeah.
And that's why I said, me not buy them the
So,
ticket.
I
But
mean, we ain't gotta.
make we focus back the attention on tomorrow night. Tomorrow night, Sky Lounge, Father
Yeah, I
Tommy
heard it's gonna be a movie, man. So
the DJs on the list, I think Fire Kid and Rumbox.
The
Rumbox
lineup is
International.
crazy.
Alright, just like that. I don't know. I would say Sky Lounge. Who did it? Bucket. Then the Rumbox, even part of Rumbox
No,
International.
man. Is that dog have it up on the bill for himself? Well, he probably gonna play.
You know, so me not-
Well, he man picture the party so he might go play and he man have him one
All
so.
of they pictures.
You know, say Bucky in challenging it.
Yeah, man. No, because I remember them they are road, you know, but I never see Bucket a road when them a play, to be honest.
I'm
But I know say I one team.
Bucky
you know.
be with them.
I'm
You
gonna
know,
need,
say I want
I'm gonna
team,
need
but
you to
remember-
start wearing your helmet to work because
Alright.
you're bugging out.
I can't have one of the shades. I'm not really see right now.
Yo, we
Yeah,
got the
I'm not
flyer for
fully
that.
dressed.
You want to throw that up? Can we throw that up real quick?
Yeah.
For,
And-
it's all black too, right?
Yes.
It's an all black affair. Yeah.
My type of
But
attire,
one more
okay.
question about your brunch.
You can't wear your mask though.
You
Hold
say
on.
every
you can't
time-
wear the mask.
You can't tell me if we wear my mask.
Guys,
Are you
guys,
a money
is-
bike?
Guys,
Can we
is,
focus? Thank
yeah.
you.
So
Alright, back to the brunch.
question about the brunch. I know you said every time you do it, it's gonna be a different theme, food, style, all that. So how often are you gonna be doing these?
Monthly, one a month.
Once a month?
Yeah.
Boy, the way my friend them belly long, you know, I feel like say you have to go put that next one somewhere.
I mean, but there's other brunches, and I guess while we're here, cause like Pep has the rum punch brunch.
Mm. But that, like you
hers-
said, but yours is focused more.
Correct. It's on
Yeah.
food.
It's
Mine
yeah.
is definitely.
Yeah, for them just for party.
And it's a different type of food. I feel like the rum punch brunch is more just based on just Jamaican food.
Right.
Man, let's get
No,
into it.
the first time I ever see one brunch, I get Jamaican food.
Oh, not yeah. That's I mean,
Every other brunch was like waffles on them, crap big grits.
Right.
Yeah, they
I mean,
keep
and there
the
will be
shit waffles.
waffles, but just you know, you're gonna
I got
have.
a question.
Oh yeah, what's it? Some of the menu. So, look, just don't tell it all. What's some of the menu though?
The most interesting.
The most so the one
Or
thing
one of the
everyone
most
is like
interesting.
looking
Not the
forward
most interesting,
to
but the
is like
number
the
two.
brown sugar jerk salmon, right?
Oh.
So you have like
That's a J
sweet,
type of dish.
savory. You have like a little bit of kick with the spice.
Okay.
Nah, that sounds crazy.
To have that over like grits, like cheesy grits, like
Okay.
down south style grits.
Okay.
That's definitely a hit. Cinnamon waffles with like a
You eat grits or y'all only eat porridge? Was y'all do grits?
hey.
I'm a
Me
porridge
no
guy, but
grits enough. I porridge me drinks.
So,
nah,
I hear you.
I'm a
And
porridge guy.
as a Jamaican,
Talk to me.
like I'm not even gonna lie to you. Maybe within the last 5 years, I just started eating grits, and I've been down south.
But me know.
I couldn't get.
Alright, what did you
I
do
like
to
it.
make you love it? Because me try to and it just tastes
Yeah.
like crush up cardboard.
No, that's too
it's how
far,
you
but alright.
season it. It's just
That's
like
crazy.
everything.
Yeah, it
else.
didn't taste. It never
It's
really
really
seasoned for me,
how
but you
you
can see
season it
them.
and how you cook
Cardboard
it.
is.
But you know
Yeah,
what
he
tripped me
died
out
about
about
that.
grits? When you look at grits, depends on who make it.
Turn cornmeal.
But
That's what it reminds me of.
yeah, but at least cornmeal have a little,
Right, it
look
has
at
a
20.
sweetness to it,
Yeah.
but it,
Nah,
it
that shit fresh
depends
too,
on
nigga. You
how
bugging.
once again.
No man,
how
grits
you
is
cook
like
it.
yeah, it gravel.
What kind of
No,
grits are you
no,
fucking
no,
eating?
no, restaurant.
Like
Right, the fuck?
they put, like,
Shit is not
That's just
cooked on
soft,
right.
but it's
cheese
just.
in it or butter or they put sugar. Like you have to season it. It's like when you think about boulder, like growing up, you don't want to eat that, but if you cook it just the right way, you can't go on.
Well, tomorrow, Sunday, I go try yours. Because like I said, the time one thing when I see everybody in America go crazy are grits and greens. Like, and we didn't call them greens. When I'm callaloo, it tastes better than what they make.
Right.
I know
So,
what that
is
means.
this just like a.
It's the. I mean,
I got a
like,
question.
Like, same thing, but it's prepared
It's gonna be.
different.
that's yeah, this is the
Ask
same
your
thing
question.
Oh, no,
basically.
no, use season.
Alright, so I got a question. So, in terms of the, it sounds like some type of, exclusive, elegant, different,
Definitely.
you know. But should
You
I?
said you was earlier.
Oh, that's it's an elegance to it. It's an elegance.
You want to name it?
Use a different name.
Chills, elegance. You
Well,
said
let me
it-
tell you.
you used it properly actually too.
Okay.
I
Okay.
Like it'll be
enjoy that, yeah.
tablecloth. Like it's
Oh,
like it's
okay.
fancy.
So
It's gonna be
basically,
tablecloth.
so-
I'm not down with that.
So
But-
basically, when you leave out the church, don't change.
You don't have to, but you could also pull up and like.
You can't.
Don't tell him that.
You can't tell me that.
Oh.
Don't tell
No,
no, no,
You
no.
see where my way
I
right
mean,
now?
I've said my.
Hey, let me tell you, come in.
No,
Come
I'm
in.
explain myself.
Let me tell you something. You see where my way
You
right
already know
now?
what he about to
I just
say.
see where I got my cousin wedding,
Didn't I
And
smell
then turn
good?
around and come on my baby christening,
Yo,
With the slides.
No, he did have on some other
Didn't I smell good? And didn't yeah.
Well,
I'm
I
pretty
told
sure
you that somebody's gonna wear white. I'm
I'm pretty sure I was lotioned and I smell good. I might.
basic.
So hold on.
She just asked the question. Are you basic? Like.
Yeah, I'm a very simple guy.
Oh, okay.
So like basic man.
Obviously not.
We are drink to basic man, we are drink to. Come in and drink to the same thing. Let me let me cup then, because you know the burger.
yo.
But what last question for Camille?
No,
you
but
know,
let me get to my question.
when it come to-
it was a lead up. No, because I'm really asked. Because
Okay.
the reason why I asked is because it sounds like something elegant and it sounds like exclusiveness. You sound so the way how he described it made it sound like it's like a buffet. So I wanted to ask.
It is a buffet. So
Okay.
for instance, so I have this menu with like
Mhm.
all of these different things. Once again, I'm introducing these things to like this is the North. Like you guys,
Okay.
the food up here is very different than food that
Yeah.
you would find in Texas, Louisiana, Florida. These are all places that I've
got
lived
you.
for years. Bringing that cuisine here. So I don't want people to buy a ticket and feel like they have to like commit to one. Like,
Yeah.
oh man, okay, I'll try the salmon this time, right? Because once again, the menu's changing.
Okay.
You have the opportunity to try,
To try
all of
everything.
these different things.
Is there gonna be enough food for everybody? How many?
That's the
how many?
reason for the ticket.
That's why it's
right?
Okay.
Yeah,
So
that's
that's
right.
the
Alright, so-
reason
That's why you
for
sell
the
tickets.
ticket.
You know,
All right.
you know what this is? We start before we even introduce our guests, we gotta introduce them to Bucky, cause
No, I like.
Yeah,
I,
you
no,
gotta
no,
stress
no,
on the
no, no.
guests.
it was just to be clear. It was no disrespect me walking past you guys. I wanted to be introduced live on the set. You know, it's something different. Dr. Sour was late.
Yo, I'm just saying. You must try. I'm gonna find that.
I'm just saying. It's just I wanted to
So hold on, I got you because
I didn't know what was going on today.
So he was late.
Yeah.
You walk in and you're simming here already, right?
Yeah.
And you did not say hello, good evening.
No,
good
I
night.
did.
Did you look at me and say hello, good evening,
No, that's
good
all.
night?
That's all I'm saying.
I asked the question.
I did,
brown boy.
No, that's not.
No manners.
Here.
Dirty boy.
So
All right.
Brought up scene?
No brought up. No brought up.
No brought
You
up
were
scene.
brought
No,
up.
No,
To not reach your elders when
No,
you're
no,
in the
no,
door.
no.
No man.
Elders is crazy. You just told me
Yo.
All right.
Yo.
All I'm saying. That's all I'm saying. Like, so that's how
I think that's a compliment. Anyway,
Come here.
no, I'm just trying to explain myself.
Yeah,
I just
no,
wanted to
me feel
be.
No one cares as a co-host, because you like you can't tell me.
That's what I
You can't tell me, because
I thought I got
everybody
fired,
ever
bro.
come here and put this much pressure on this nigga.
Yo, I needed that.
You know what?
I needed that.
Me I tell you about
She
you.
right.
Oh man,
Chat.
we got 4K.
Okay.
I don't know which camera we on, but 4K.
Yeah.
Yo, we got that.
And last question about the catering business. So, that was the question actually. Do you cater?
I do actually. Matter of fact, I cater today. But so once again, my menu is different than Livvy's. So like the things that I'm offering. So today, I
Livvy's
don't
not
order
off
for
that.
Rasta pasta. Everybody love Rasta pasta.
Yeah.
White people love it.
Yeah.
For
I
whatever
think I
reason.
tried that once, to be honest.
Well,
It
it will
was
be
lit.
at the brunch. You can
Okay.
try it then if you buy a ticket.
You had nothing if you make people here grow?
I mean,
Yo.
Because my friend, him a try grow him here from 2016 and be a tell him.
Yo,
Me a la cut for me and then come back on past here.
2016 is insane.
So anything
Diabolical.
you got to grow here, just friend them with the ski mask, they would like to try. So
I mean, I do that on the side, like the jack of all trades. I do here too. So when you ready,
no, do here. You need treatment.
Yo, I got a remedy, bro. And stop talking shit.
All right,
you have the
sorry.
remedy, but you don't use it.
No,
I mean,
man,
nobody-
we just start using it. we just start using
Asking
it.
the question.
No, I'm being honest. I just started using it.
Oh, okay.
I just started using it.
Alright, so everybody in the chat right now, we asking you
Yo,
to
big
just
up
jump
the
ship
chat.
and go like
Damn, I really on shit tonight. I didn't even pick up the chat.
Yeah, get out the chat right now. Go like the video. Like the video, share it, and drop some comments. Y'all sucking on the comments tonight. Anybody active with all 8 million
Damn.
of y'all, go fucking like the video. So,
Shouts out to the chat, man.
moving forward,
Yep.
we have our next business we are push tonight.
Well going.
Tell us about it. Alright, so first of all, tell me your name again. Me just supposed to like him, me just supposed to learn it on camera, because me like play with people's name.
Okay, so everybody knows me as Gigi. But my
Jaja,
name
2
is
GG.
Gail.
Gail.
Yes.
Alright. Gail. Went to Yale. Alright, never mind.
Yeah.
What's the name of your business?
Yeah.
Okay, so the name of my business is KK Cleaning and Restoration Services.
Okay, okay.
All right, that's
So I
leave it right
do
at so.
home cleaning and which is residential
Yeah.
and commercial cleaning.
All right. And there's some-
Fathered organization,
Mm.
power
Laundry
washing service,
services.
laundry, ironing,
Ironing.
all of that.
Yo,
What about
Bread.
so, wait, does that include daycare kids too?
No, sorry.
Hey, that was
So like,
Very
so,
good.
like for example, you're there at the house and like my book, yeah, clean and thing. And I say, me run got the story real quick. You can't watch
Nah.
it.
Nah.
Oh,
You're gonna have to
Nah.
take little Johnny with you.
all right. Sorry, little Jenna.
Sorry.
But carry on.
Nah, so to follow up, that's a crazy industry. I didn't even know about that industry.
Really?
And I learned it from one of my past roommates a few years ago as an African guy.
like just going out and
And-
cleaning people's houses.
Yeah,
and being
he was trying to
residential
get me into it, bro.
You make money.
It
So,
is. It is.
Look, when I
Hold
said
on, you were
man,
born here in Jamaica.
I was born in Jamaica.
In Ban Pani boat.
So
Jubilee.
you never had helper.
No, I had a personal chef.
Here.
I'm not,
Mother, tell your mother.
but no. I actually had a personal chef.
Yo,
I had a
how
chef.
you disrespect like
Yeah,
that?
say carry on.
No.
What-
But I had
what-
a personal chef.
So,
Be quick.
so how you didn't know that this
No.
industry existed?
No, I get no. What I'm saying when I got here in terms of like Cause I'm saying like I'm a handyman. I do house stuff in terms of stuff like that, but I didn't know people really just allow people to come in.
Where you come from?
No, I'm serious, bro. It's when I say it's very lucrative, and I didn't like it was.
I be having to remember.
I didn't know,
age,
bro.
Though, too.
No,
I be having everything. I be having to remember how old this nigga is.
So how long you know everything I wrote?
Nah, continue though. Continue.
Oh, no, no, no. Nobody had to tell them.
Let me tell you something. Can you not pay attention tonight? You never know when people come up here, especially women that come here illegally.
No.
Mostly what they helps them out.
I don't. That's not what you're talking about. That's not what you're talking about. That's not what you're talking about, right?
Cleaning services is
that's what you're looking for.
People that come here
talking about
do
full
that shit a lot.
cleaning, nigga. Like
That's
Okay, hold on. So
cleaning
let me say
services
this,
is,
right?
nigga.
You guys are gonna segue into Trump shit later. Most of the illegal immigrants that come to America, these are the fields that they get into.
Yeah,
Cleaning
that's what I'm trying
is
to say.
under the table, right?
Yeah.
It's something you can do. So usually it's cleaning, it's watching people's children, like taking care of
lawn
like
care and
household-
stuff like that.
right.
yeah, I get that, but I feel like what that field is more like you're not babysitting, as she just said. She's not gonna babysit.
But that's
It's
just a part of it. So cleaning comes with.
I get that. I just say, many of I know say, oh, it's that lucrative, and it's like it's a separate field to where, you know what I'm saying? I thought nannies are just, as you say, when they have
You thought it was just all inclusive.
yeah, I thought it was all
No,
inclusive, but
nannies
that's a
don't clean.
whole separate field. Like that's a, you know what I'm saying, house cleaning. And I said,
Yeah.
my African boy, like my roommate was trying to get me into it. I'm like, damn, I already kind of do that shit. You know what I'm saying? But he's like, yeah, you could get insured, and you could go to these houses, and it don't take that much because these white people are very clean. They just don't.
Let's not do that. Let's not put false allegations
I'm gonna
out
say this:
here.
if there are some people that will clean their house before the cleaning person comes. Like it's some people like, and it might even be dirty people, but some people that might just clean their house up a little bit before the cleaning person comes. Like they might tidy up a little bit.
Gigi.
I mean, that's not the customers we were.
Gigi.
I'm not saying everybody
so
like that,
you've
but
been
some
through
people-
it. So you've been through it.
Since you're the expert.
Let's talk
Since you're
about
the
it.
expert.
So you probably on some. She probably on some extreme shit though. You probably do some extreme
is
homes.
crazy.
No,
You
it's
know,
not
like as
it's
you
not
said,
no hoarding.
renovation. So
Wait, do you do hoarding houses?
that's what I was just about to ask. I was just about to ask that.
Let's ask. Are you doing hoarding houses? Are you accepting those kind of contracts?
I mean,
The money.
I would love to do one of those houses.
Okay.
I respect
I
that.
ain't gonna lie. I would love to do one of those houses.
You would love just to see what's in there.
No, just to do it. I like, I find
The
cleaning
smell
satisfying.
alone, I can't.
I don't know.
It's
You be
relaxing
messed up
for
though.
me.
No, I love cleaning. Don't get me wrong. Like
Then why you not like
That
being?
makes sense.
I bathe today though. I lotion too, bro.
No, me just ask.
She said
today?
bathe just
You
because you did you bathe before you lotion?
I think
Pussy
so.
class.
Yeah, you know what you said? I can't want to let you know your brunch from me now. Go on with there now.
It's okay.
Yeah, me no want to get put on the naughty list for the brunch. So, people, the brunch is Sunday.
Hosted by this one right here.
Yeah.
Hosted by this one right here.
Yeah, so again, tell the people more and more details on the cleaning stuff. So do you have a social media page where they can find you, follow you, get more information?
yes, I do actually have an Instagram and a Facebook. So it's KK Cleaning Restoration Services
Okay.
on both Facebook and Instagram.
You gotta spell the first part for our guests, because not our guests. I'm sorry, for our viewers and listeners, because some people don't really
And
know how to
co-hosts.
spell. Yeah.
Okay, so
Two letter
it's
Ks.
2 Ks,
Yeah.
Cleaning and Restoration Services.
Mm-hmm.
I'm also on Google Business, so you can check me out. on that.
Official.
Official.
We got
Okay.
reviews and everything, pictures.
So you got any? Are you a content creator of any kind in terms of
Like,
you do
do you-
any reels? You do
Yes,
any? Can I
if
see
you
your work?
You can check me out on Instagram.
Okay,
and
bet.
Facebook.
I got you.
KK Cleaning.
Got you.
KK cleaning.
Hey KK, you know what I'm gonna do with you? We are gonna go in business together. But you see where you go clean the people in house, I can do their cars because I do detailing.
Yeah.
So if you find a house, but when summer come out, man, we talk cars.
Yeah, we
So you
definitely
detail
will talk.
vehicles?
Yeah.
Hold on, and you didn't know this?
Listen.
Is this something new?
No,
this is
it's
something.
been for years, every summer.
Okay. I just needed to know this because I asked somebody.
This is a source
because I needed the service. I needed the service.
Nine.
Like the past 2
Repeat
weeks.
that.
And I asked a certain somebody.
Him said every summer.
About like, if he knew anyone that did this.
You heard what he said in the summer, right?
Detail on my car.
Oh, only in the summer.
Oh,
no, like spring coming, summer, like.
Yo, she official.
Now,
First of all,
you
no, let's get this shit straight.
Wait.
I typed in 2Ks and she was the first on top of the shit.
That's real.
Remember, people, only 2K.
Only 2Ks.
Don't fuck up.
Don't put the second third one.
Right, you don't gotta keep going.
Crazy. All right, bet.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Well, yeah, me care services. Like, if you, for now, that, because I don't have a shop right now, if you have a garage, I'll pull up and I'll take care of it in your garage. But for now, it's summertime. Pull up, drop it off, leave it for like 2-3 hours, and if you leave it all day, you get excessive clean. But price varies and all that. Depends how quick you want it back and what you want clean. Spot cleaning on the seat, shampoo, all of that. So do that.
That sounds good.
Yeah, so that's jail and cleaning, just like new detailing.
Cool.
Yeah.
We definitely gotta collaborate.
Let me tell you, man, we are work this summer.
Yeah,
KK and JJ cleaning things them all day. Bumbo cloth.
Yeah, they put a high horse to the door.
White. Youth. Let me tell you something, youth. But no, you're all stuff. So people, like I said, we guess them are going to things. So we're here to promote and support. So again, yeah,
that's a vibe.
Come here, where your catering service called?
No, she just asked for me. She not even know her name.
Oh, you know.
Cams.
Alright, tell you what, people. If you want, after you pull up at the brunch on Sunday, and you peep everything what you need for see what you need for see, link Livevybz, and we get your contact with Camille if you want any type of catering going on with your food and thing, yeah? And you did the decorating all of them stuff there?
All of that.
But if you know house, if the place dirty before, you know how we come, they come cook, call KK, and we come deal with it, see?
Did you just say cook?
What?
Before, so like if they need it to be clean.
Yeah, you can go clean it before we come cook.
So, real quick.
And if you don't want yard boy service to pick up trash and take up the things them up for the yard,
and
call
the butter leak.
Call Bucky.
I mean that.
Service is called Yard Boys.
I do it all.
Yo.
Yard Boy Landscaping.
You gonna drink your drink, man?
Name too, so I won't
yeah,
have
who's
that.
drink? Boy, you know, so the syrup thing kill me.
It's honey, yo.
Honey.
This tastes like grits.
Oh my god, this nigga.
Right.
Yo.
Talking about this real quick before not let me cut you off. How cause it's hot for me now, so I'm hot for you right now. How long you been,
Cooking?
No, not cooking. I'm pretty sure you've been cooking. You're born in Jamaica, but how long is this the first one you're doing,
this
is this
the first brunch that I'm having here in Rochester? So I haven't even been back in Rochester for a year now.
Okay. So did you do this other places? Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Dope. So Rochester, get ready. Sunday. Brunch.
Lovers Rock. And Livevybz TV will be in the building.
Oh, Rum Boss will be playing at the brunch.
International.
So Saturday.
2025 for Rum Boss. Yeah.
Checha. Yeah, so I'm tempted to go shoot the show down there.
You see how you. Anyways.
Yo, Sunday. Really?
We're
making the fucking drinks, yo. Y'all been skipping over this nigga for the longest.
Oh, yeah. Oh, Bumbo Clock.
Damn,
you know, see the brunch.
Nah, I don't need nobody shout.
I'm not talking to you. I'm not talking to you.
I got it.
No, I got it. So the brunch show my friend them Rich Bucket. Them hire a bartender.
Oh, what?
They book this new bartending service.
Oh, yeah. So you can get food and delicious beverage.
And this is one of the drink. It is called honey cornmeal and coffee drop.
Don't do that.
That shit sounds horrible, yo. I would never order that.
I joke me and make people. Tell them it drinks, doctor.
It's I mean that's just the teaser, man.
This shit tastes good.
Y'all can find out when y'all get down there the rest of them, man. But I got a little bit of something for everybody, man. I got the regular basic drinks. And then, first off, man, fuck all of that. Let me get my official shit, man.
Talk your shit, bro.
Sunday is the debut. What camera I'm at?
Anyone you feel is main camera.
The main camera.
Sunday is the debut and the release of what I'm starting my mobile bartender service, yo. Called High Spirits, man. Y'all look out for us, man.
Amen.
We gonna be out here, man. We gonna be high demand, so make sure y'all start booking early with us, man. But shouts out to Ken for giving me the opportunity and everything. We gonna be out there, man. We got some drinks coming. This is just the teaser drink right here, just to let y'all know that we really about that life. This is the rum espresso martini. And
no cocktail.
No way.
Nah, I ain't say none of that.
No, that's what I make them know.
Yeah. That's the rum espresso martini. I mean, mostly everybody in here tasted this shit, man. Y'all let me know what y'all thought of it, man.
Come in the world, want drink no milk in it.
I told you I made you one with just the straight coffee. There was no milk in there, man.
No milk,
no. I drink Red Bull earlier. I can't do steel.
Where you see milk in it?
9. What you thought of the drink, man?
Nah, it was good.
Out of 10.
9. Well, you still got your shit sitting right there, man. You ain't even.
It was an 8.
Is that it? I thought this nigga was about to say 9.
I mean, that empty glass prove a lot to me.
Nah,
Yeah, it's good. I take
obviously,
I appreciate that.
glass is empty. But I never really like rum. I have a feel for like rum, them rum cream drink.
Damn.
It's not even anyways.
You
But yeah,
would you like
just
a
like
refill
the
in your
menu
glass?
is curated, there are signature drinks for this brunch.
It's a lot. That's gonna change up every time because I'm gonna be here every time we do it. I'm in the building, so.
So like you'll have a signature drink menu to go with the meal, and like he said, he has an extensive bar, so he'll be able to make other drinks as well.
Okay.
Yeah, look forward.
So where can we get tickets?
That's all I had to say.
Where can my friend get a ticket?
Eventbrite. We've said this already,
Oh,
but
word.
we can say it again.
We always have to put emphasis on
Yeah, you gotta say it.
tickets
I
and
told you it was on
locations.
Eventbrite, and y'all still asking me to ask them.
Yeah, you gotta.
Yeah, I know. You know what?
They a little hard-headed, yo. They don't think they'll listen.
All right,
Eventbrite, get it by midnight tomorrow night.
That's a
No,
fact.
get it
Bars.
now.
Right now.
Cause
I
like
said
once
buy.
again,
You ain't gonna have a
it's
chance.
a limited.
It might be sold out by
the
midnight.
tickets are sold. That's it. Once again, do not show up at the door.
All right, so people like me. What the hell? Oh, never mind. So I'm saying, I'm tripping out. So again, Sunday, big brunch.
Yeah.
And after the brunch, Monday, if you can't wake up after the brunch, because you know, fuck up still from Uncle Tommy party, and then you know, it overfull by the brunch. But you gotta go to work.
1425 Mount Reed.
And you can't clean the house. Go up on Google and type in KK. And, you know, and just go to work and make sure you go for the day.
I mean, or if you need your clothes ironed for the week, because you can't.
You know, see, I feel like me I go reach out to you for that the
laundry
service.
Laundry services.
And clothes ironing, car.
Right.
Boy,
Yeah.
let me
My
tell you.
daughter has her own little ironing business going on, so.
I like that, cause
Yeah, I used to.
you see me right now,
Damn.
when me take out my clothes them out
I
of the
miss
dryer,
Jamaica.
if me not put them up right away, you know, them stay in the basket and crush up.
Yep.
And then my iron broke for last year.
Yep.
And me buy the steamer, cause me not no iron board.
Yeah, I was just about to say, I see you got the steamer now, yo.
Brother, but me I'm tired, cause me have to go up and down. And I have to go slow so you catch out.
You gotta
the
do it
rhythm.
bad slow too, yeah?
Yeah. And me zaman in time I wash my clothes, me try food, but me can't right now with all the things them me I
You
take
don't
up.
want to, you can hire somebody.
Yeah, me I try tell you man. And
It's
true.
a service for everything,
And
yo.
yeah, and wife shot you know, so it's like me have to go take up them services cause Harry can't do nothing. So we have to move
Come
forward.
on, I'm just, like,
Yo, this
not too much
nigga-
on my sister though.
Well, yeah, she did put much for me with child support,
Crazy.
so that's why I can't afford
I
to
feel
do
like if you deserve it, you deserve it. Though.
I say you feel.
Like I'm gonna support my sister 100% every
I
time.
need the
You
support
walked
her.
into that, yo. You walked into that one,
Obviously
yo.
not if she needed to go to the people then to get you to support.
Miss World Boss.
That's blood sister right there, yo. You walked into that one, yo.
Yeah,
You know what? May I stop the slandering. Cause me there try to put her up on food side still, but she go there brunch Sunday, obviously.
Of course, obviously.
Alright, me have something for her. Not the child support though, so no bother with it.
Yeah.
To talk about child support, let's talk about Trump. How y'all feel about that, ladies?
I mean, I 100% support. I mean, if you're financially supporting your children, then I feel like you should get a tax break for it. Because, like, why not? Right? You should be able to file the fact that you are supporting another household, which is what you're doing.
Big fucks.
Yeah.
And then now give you just lunch money, like you have to pay
Right.
as if the
Right.
kids paying rent.
Exactly. Especially if you being taxed heavily. Right? It's not the parents that are paying $30 a week. Not those parents.
Cha-cha.
I
That's a
mean,
thing?
That is a thing.
$50 a week you want?
Bro,
Yo.
people that pay $50 a month.
Fig yes?
$30 in child support a week happens. But,
Chacha.
you know, if you're spending hundreds of dollars, you coming out of pocket $8,000 a month, you should be able to claim that on your taxes. It's just like anything else.
That's a big fox that you did.
So what Chum do?
He's wanting to, if you pay child support, you're the parent that is able to claim that child on your taxes. I don't know. I don't feel that you should be the only parent. I think both parents should be able to do it.
So only one parent can file for the kids?
Yeah.
Right now, yes.
Damn.
Even if you're married.
Wait, yeah.
Yo, so
and you don't know that?
I mean, so you gotta be. Huh?
Do you have children?
No.
Remember me tell you say he born on the boat on the way here. So
young boy.
That makes sense.
Yeah. You see my look for identity, you know, see my wear mask.
Yeah.
Just 19.
There's only 2 now, according to Trump.
But
So.
hey! Come on, for the bond.
About the prices on shit going up and everything. They say the price go up before it get better.
Me hear somebody say egg off $8.
What?
What?
Right now, you know what, yo? You know what I'm saying?
I told you a package.
I was like, Kennedy going to go for jail, go forget my egg.
It's not going to be any less. Like, even the farmers have increased.
I understand it, but it's going to be like, I'm not like egg them in that store no more.
The farmer them would have more likely if you put up the price up for the commercial businesses than locals. They're going up there.
Because, like, if you go to any local farm, the price of eggs, they're $10 a carton.
Yeah, you pay
It's
that.
more that you're paying for fresh eggs.
But it's fresh. It's fresh. I'm not too like this too.
It is,
I feel
bro.
that's right now because the egg them so shortage, them mass produce them, brother.
Wait, who said there was an egg shortage?
Yeah, man, egg
It's not a shortage,
shortage.
the price is just up.
Yeah, man, egg shortage.
It's not a shortage, the price just up.
Yeah,
It's
put up on the big Walmart, no egg there on the shelf. No egg there on the shelf.
So that means
don't
there's a
mean
shortage?
Yeah, man,
It is
egg shortage,
It ain't
man.
stock, yo.
It's the beginning of the month.
Ah.
Did you not?
Oh,
Did you not
yeah.
think about that part? It's,
I don't got kids. I'm
you
19.
don't have to have kids.
I'm still, him still what they call it a young yan.
Yeah.
He's just a
It's the
hardworking young
beginning
yan, you
part
know?
of the month. People get their.
But you know, me always tell him, I'm glad you appreciate him so today, you know. Because I always tell him, say, him to be fully aware of his surroundings. Him is a man,
Right.
he just focus on for him business, work. He don't watch no news, he don't watch nothing. You know,
I'm
you know
watch what I need for watch.
So, see,
Watch you affect me.
see, and all him watch
Yeah.
are movies.
Dude, what you think they want to do now? Where you think the movies they want to get it from? Real life.
You see the crosses?
So, me just need to think.
You understand? You don't understand now? So yeah, I'm glad you talked to him. So brother, nothing's out there if you feel, yeah.
No, but so a uniform of blood clot that me still up on chuck. I'm 19. So me now work on a blood clot child support.
I'm not for
Well,
my
me
child
I work
support
child
either.
support
Can I
for-
support my child?
Wait,
All
are you
right.
a virgin? Are
Yes.
you-
Bumbo clat.
I'm just asking because like.
You don't see it one shot!
You just sound
You see
deep
punch
tonight,
up my
yo.
ankle.
Oh, okay. I'm sorry.
Damn.
My girlfriend named Pamela.
Damn.
All right. So then
Big
maybe
up
you don't
Pamela.
need to worry about that. But okay.
Me not
Yeah,
for my
Montana,
child
yo.
support.
Yeah, he can catch all his kids. I'm sorry. Woo!
Dropping them off at
And
the
the
pool
Espresso
every day.
Martini.
Yeah, this nigga diabolical, bro. Alright, you know what?
Alright, so
That's
no,
crazy though.
now that we got one positive that Donald's doing, I feel like everything else is downhill.
Depends on.
I'm about
Because-
to say, bro,
alright, so
it's
for example-
wild, man. We gonna see. We all gonna see.
So, Mr. The thing where they us versus Canada with the tariffs and stuff, where they putting extra taxes on their shit. So, while we here just thinking it's just a, tax shit and them taxing each other, that's what the Americans are moving around like. But talk to the Canadians, niggas, military is getting tightened up and being prepped.
Yo, you know what I keep thinking?
I
every time
mind
see
you
that
know.
shit, yo.
Mind you, wait,
Is
no?
that Tim Hortons gonna be shut down?
Who's
and
Tim
I hope
Hortons?
that happen, yo.
What happened? Why is that?
Tim Hortons weak ass coffee and donuts.
Oh, that's a
yo.
Canadian shit?
Yeah.
Of course.
Oh, where?
Oh my god.
They,
yeah.
I feel like there's a Canadian maple.
I
Is
just
that
learned
not
that
there?
today.
Isn't that
Oh,
there?
it is.
Now that you said it, it
logo
just
is the
clicked.
Maple Leaf, yeah.
Damn, then Timmy, can you? Well, them that makes. But either way, US and them supposed to be best friends.
Nah, they trash. But
Not no more. But me there pre-dog, cause
I can't tell when last I saw Tim Hortons.
So here me a pre-bucket. Me there with the whole Canada get prepped for war shit, right? And I'm driving to work one night. I'm yeah smoke, right? I'm mids. I mean, so what if these niggas something happen? You know how Trump is. Shit could happen
Anytime.
in minutes.
Mm-hmm.
And remember we work right at the border, nigga.
Mm.
So I'm just driving to work one night. And just shit just started. I just see mad lights in the sky.
Because that would be
He
first.
thought it was over for you. Over for you, yo. He thought it was done.
Right,
Yo.
It's just a thought, man. I'm just saying, it's scary, but...
He was like, yo,
Canadians are nice people, bro.
Yeah, but they not fuck with you no more, dog, because they take off all of them American liquor off of them shelf.
Every time I used to be in Canada,
crazy?
they used to be like, yo, fucking Americans. They used to always say that shit. Yo, what?
Yeah.
Canadians is mad nice, but like, low-key, they definitely be like, these fucking Americans.
Yeah, because they chilling. Well, not we, y'all.
I don't think, we asked this when management was here. Like, what
shouts out to Dion.
Yeah, shouts out to management. What either country would want from or what would benefit from each other. You know what I'm saying? And for me personally, other than like one of the main things I hear people talk about for Canada is like the healthcare system. You know what I'm saying?
No.
You said no?
Yeah, but that one I think Canada have.
That's one of the main things I hear.
But I feel like they say because of that their taxes are super high. Because
so they got high taxes over there?
Yeah, so that's why they don't really care because they have to cover
that. You got guaranteed healthcare, but your time frame it might be months to almost years out.
Okay.
Type shit, depending on.
And I heard that, and I follow up with that. I heard that's like when it comes to like specialist doctors and stuff like that.
It's waiting list.
The waiting list is like it takes a long time, so you know that don't really make no sense. So, I mean, I say yeah. I don't think Canada. I think because I feel for the longest while for me, I just feel like it was so them good enough over there. They might, you know what I'm saying? But, so what started it?
Your logic be so wild.
Yeah.
What
you mean? It's just like I said.
No, I'm just saying. I feel like
you asking the question. I get it.
No, but I get what really sparked. Because I always saw Canada to be as much as
so basically
they kind of have some difference.
It's him wanting more parts for America.
Yeah,
more parts for America.
Basically, he might try to make America be very self-sufficient. So basically, every other we're so self-sufficient that y'all gonna need us more than we need y'all. So he might try to make it seem like America have everything, but he not doing enough research to not know that we fucking don't. Which is why the next move Canada said them have cut off lights in some of the northern states. I don't know how true that is, but
yeah,
did y'all hear that?
I mean, so
I heard
that was their retaliation. So it's like, okay, if you're gonna tax us for these things and raise the amount of money, then okay, we're gonna do that. But I mean, it's just like he tried to put tariffs on other countries as well, and then on the same day he's like, oh wait, hold on, let me figure this out, right?
Let's do something else.
Yeah,
let's see what we can figure out.
Yeah, like we're gonna stop this. I mean, Trump is a businessman. True. And anyone that knows me knows who my father is and that he's a avid Trump supporter. It is what it is. So I get from a business aspect, America's not or was not doing well financially. Right? We are a very big nation and we're in debt and to other countries, and that doesn't make sense. Right? So we have to generate and move around funds. So for instance, he's trying to dissolve the Department of Education and allow states to be able to manage their education systems. 40-something million that was supposed to go to Columbia University. He said, nah, y'all can't have it. Right? We fund this school, like financial aid, all of these things that money is funneling into. He's like, we have to figure out where we can put this money that's going to make money for us. We trade with all of these other countries. I get that,
but then it's like, fuck, education is wild.
No. He didn't say that. He said it should be handled on a state level. He said it should be handled on a... All right, imagine this, right? And you get this working in the company that you work for, right? Everyone understands when upper management starts to come down and they step in and they're like, oh, no, you shouldn't do things this way. You should do this way. And you're like, you're not even here every day. You have no fucking clue how this operates, how this works, but you're making decisions. That's essentially what the Department of Education is doing. Why would you have a whole like staff that has nothing to do with anything decide what 50 states are going to do with their schooling
And
system?
I get that. I do get that. But I also be thinking, like, in the sense of, like, it's going to be states that want to teach people whatever the fuck they want to teach them. Where they be like, yo, okay, this we feel. It's aliens that's here coming up right now. And it's going to be some wild shit. Like, they can teach states, kids, whatever they want. Okay. And not to say that they don't got the right to do that, but that's going to make other people move away. And states might purposely do that in order to push people out, certain people out.
Okay, so
which becomes prejudice and discrimination at that point.
But let me say this about that. California decided they were going to be so inclusive, right? With their teaching kindergartners about same-sex relationships. And what happened?
That
Texas
bullshit.
ended up with an influx of thousands of people coming from California or whatever that don't want to have to deal with that. It was happening before Trump went into office. Right? So what you're saying is it's already happening on a state level. Yes. My daughter has a child in her classroom that thinks she's a cat. And they are...
Where, right, that's all?
No, in Texas.
Bumbo, it's scaring me. Carry on.
And I mean
crazy.
that does not participate in class events.
And he used the litter box.
I don't...
if I didn't leave, they would have to go full commitment.
Yeah, you got everything, yo. Knock this shit off the cover and everything, yo.
This shit just... No, I'm sorry.
So, yes, individual states have implemented and they are banning certain books from classrooms and whatever, but those things are already happening. What Trump is saying is like, why do we need a whole department? Why are we putting money into this place that's not doing really anything? He's calling it fluff. It's excessive. Yeah. We can trim all of that. You guys are already doing it on a state level. Why do we need a government agency that's regular or overseeing these things happening?
I'm still at that.
So quick question, and so I like for you just said your daughter had that classmate. So as a parent,
like, what?
Well, I'm pretty sure this is going to be obvious because I feel like all Caribbean parents would stand on the side. So what's your view on that?
I mean,
type, like,
so
your
it became
kid,
a huge uproar, right? So this is coming from Texas, Fort Worth, Texas. 2 school years. So 2 years ago, once again, everyone is trying to be inclusive, but the schools they go to are very traditional. The students were trying to have like a LGBTQ club after school. And they were like, well, we don't have like a heterosexual club. Why should we have a club for others?
The alphabet, yeah.
Right. The teachers started emailing parents and like, hey, you guys need to start going to school board meetings. Like, this is what's happening. You need to be aware of it. So we went and we were able to shut that down. New York State is very different, right? Like, I'm pretty sure these clubs exist and people are gonna fight
New
for
York
that.
State let a lot rock.
Right.
True.
That was one thing that I appreciated about living in Texas, right?
But come to think of it, like that club, you wouldn't even need a club for that. That would be basically called sex ed, like what you learn in
and
grade
so
class.
the statement was it's a safe space for students to be able to communicate and congregate to talk about their experiences about
that type of
deciding to be a different sex or
but
the case may be.
in their life they already congregate and meet and talk about that shit anyway.
Right, but once again, you don't have clubs that heterosexual children.
But
we don't have clubs where we sitting down. I like vagina.
That's the people that you end up chilling with.
Yeah, type of shit. So
I mean, but that's
the point. Them trying to be extra, asking for shit that it's not. That's the point I was saying. Not nobody's knocking what they want to do, but they trying to get, like she said, the federal, like a big armor on it and a
what
brand.
Trump is saying. He's like no, like how you were
go
born
live your life.
the way
You don't
God
need,
made you.
yeah.
And I get the reason why he's taking. So that's the reason why he's pulling funding from Colombia and all of the even the rape advocates, people who organizations that help people who have been in abusive situations. He has pulled funding from those if you promote transgender or anything that is outside of this man woman conservative roles, he's pulling government funding. So if on your website you say we support the rainbow or whatever the case may be, you don't have government funding anymore.
Fuck it. So if we go. We got 2 sex, male and female.
Oh.
You see me?
So, the other thing when me say
that is it.
Trump are going with, is the not the other thing. Oh, did y'all see the interview we did with Zelensky?
Talk clips.
Oh, we watched?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I saw clips of it. I don't know. Talk about
was you here when we watched it? Oh, no, he wasn't. Yeah.
Did you see it?
Mr. Orlin was here.
Nah, I've been busy all week.
I need your views on it because.
Yeah, you talking about me being late? You was a no-call, no-show last week, bro.
No. You never no call. You did call.
Oh, yeah, my fault. You did. My fault. I apologize.
Yeah.
I apologize. I'll take that. I'll retract my statement.
They put in his doctor's note.
Hold on, Jay. Hold on.
Oh, shit.
Chat. Dr. Sal was late. An hour. Go ahead.
We should have keep tally, We should have keep
I'm sorry.
Take a shot every time he said it.
You know, brother, I couldn't manage.
But yeah, I saw clips of that. Well, what happened? I heard that he got slapped. Trump got slapped.
No. Yeah, right. By who?
I saw a clip of Trump getting slapped.
That was AI.
Oh, shit.
That shit was AI out.
Hey, yo. So long story short,
they could get slapped.
Long story short, the president from Ukraine, he was supposed he thought he came here to just talk to Trump to basically, we need more money to protect ourselves and shit.
Yeah.
But where that was supposed to be a private meeting, this nigga Trump pulled this nigga in the Oval Office.
Televised it.
With mad cameras in there.
I'm sorry. Who was this nigga again? I heard Ukraine. I know he's Ukraine.
Zelensky, I think he's.
He's the president
of Ukraine.
So
okay,
again,
go ahead. I didn't hear this title, bro, guys. I'm
so,
late.
So, Zelensky. All right, so
I'm talking for the chat right now.
So you know the Russian Ukraine.
No, I'm here now. I just didn't hear his title. I know he was Ukraine.
So you know the Russian Ukraine war is still going on, right?
Go ahead, yeah.
And say U.S. when Joe Biden, our president, gave the Ukraine weapons and aid to.
Yeah. We over.
Cool.
Yeah.
So
Africans them over there too,
Some shit.
Only Africans over there.
So no Ukraine president pull up over here like, yo, Trump, what up? We kind of need some more shit.
Yeah.
And then where that should be normally a private meeting between presidents, that was a first televised
negotiation
type of
Trump
shit.
on some different shit.
Yeah. So
okay.
In a sense, there wasn't really no negotiation because the nigga was caught off guard. Zelensky, he was just there like, I don't really want to say too much about what I'm here for, but then they just started clowning this nigga about his outfit. Like, why is he dressed like that in the Oval Office? Like, who gives a shit? Elon Musk's little son was in there telling Trump he a bitch, and nobody said shit about that. And you want to talk about this nigga? But this nigga did clap back, though. He said, maybe after I'm done in the war, I'll buy something better than what you got on. But then he thought about it as or something cheaper, because he didn't want to get jumped in that bitch. But basically, they bullied the nigga and bitched him.
Yeah, they bitched him.
And he just had to sit there and take it because he's like...
Trump pushed him. I don't care what nobody says.
Yeah, he did.
So Trump is trying to get out of... as part of the UN, yes, we have allies. Yeah. He's essentially saying, Europe got a lot of problems. And he don't want to be in it. He's like, you guys need to handle your own shit. And...
start bringing people into Europe.
Right, I get it.
What's the other one? It's the UN, and what's the other one?
The European Union.
Yeah. Let Ukraine join them. Trump will be madder than a bitch.
I feel like they trying to pull him in either way.
Because we're having to send troops from all the way here, all the way there to help out. England is there. There's all of these other countries. Europe is. All right, so
this is a question because this is something I don't know.
I said this nigga is the wildest guy out here, yo. Trump is one of the wildest threatening dude. Yo, the open threats that he threw at that man was so crazy. I say, yo, this man.
No, but you see, with the threats. Before we get to that,
it was treacherous.
Because I have two views on that. But
why he threatened him though?
Hold on, man. Before we get to that,
he tried to son Trump.
Earlier you said, now you made me forget what the fuck I was about to ask.
Go ahead, I'm sorry, Jay.
You said something. What you said earlier. If you can remember the last, what you just said.
About
you trying to back out of
the like having to help European nations?
Yeah. All right. Fuck it. Let's move on. I'll probably remember it.
Moving forward.
But what you
Dr.
just
Sauer, your late motherfucking ass. You know what?
But why don't you just bring up then? Let me move because
you were saying threats.
But so basically,
Trump was throwing the open threats.
The nigga didn't make a threat.
I saw clips of it. I know it was actually serious.
It kind of was a threat. Like, but
bruh, you can't tell me that, man. I think it. So what I say a lot of the times, and when we was talking about it last week, we was talking about it and everything, yo. I put it in hood terms, as far as like if somebody was dealing with some shit in the hood. Basically, the president Ukraine came here, and I didn't know as a viewer watching this is that Ukraine. He had already been here before. He went to Pennsylvania, was trying to raise some shit and get some. But was he trying to get like I don't want to say money, but he was trying to get some support and everything.
Yeah.
Okay. I didn't even know about that until he sat down there and they were talking about it. So Ukraine came here. He was trying to get some support. Then our vice president started kind of laying it out like what was going on and everything. And the Ukraine nigga was like, yo, well, at the end of the day, bro, what's up, man? What you trying to do? And Trump flexed on him like, yo, bro, don't come at us like that because honestly, you need us. Don't come here talk about what we gonna do because, bro, you need our help right now. So what?
Okay.
No, this what triggered Trump though. Because Trump was like, yo, we don't gotta help you, nigga. Like what Kenny was saying. Like that's your own shit. If I leave you alone, Russia could eat you up in a couple days.
Yo, with Trump
how he said it, or was it what he said?
No, this is what triggered Trump because
it was just set up.
After he said that, Zelensky response was, well, if something happened to us, something might fuck up the American waters. It might not be now, but it could be like a couple years down the line.
Okay.
But where Zelensky, from my point of view, I thought he was saying it like, if my country gets shut down, we're helping y'all with something that you don't know about yet.
Y'all gonna be fucked
but
up.
I'm not gonna say it because that's my card that I'm holding. But I ain't gonna say it. But we got something that if you fuck with us, your oceans might get fucked up.
Trump went off,
and Trump was like, "What? You can't? You know what I mean?"
This is why I say he used open threats, and these are his exact words. You're gambling with people's lives right now.
Yeah.
He straight up told him, you are gambling with people's lives right now. You don't want to start World War III. Damn. You don't have the cards. And with us, you have the cards. Without us, you don't have the cards to play this.
Yeah.
Now, verbatim, that's what he said to this man.
Okay.
While he did this, he did one of those. He like the whole time he pointing at him, and then at one point he did one of them. I said, "Oh, this nigga Trump is wild." I said, "Yo, he's wild." Like, yo, he did one of them shit. Like when his shoulder got pushed, he did one of them, like a little put. Not that hat, like not the dramatic, but he did like a. I said,
you know we are gonna do
the contact sport now?
Yo, we are gonna
reenact it.
Yeah, that's what I said. We're gonna do that. But me I gonna be Zelensky, and me I gonna say this is what Zelensky really wanted to do.
Yo,
and then we
he got jumped up.
Yeah, I'm gonna get jumped by the Secret Service.
If he'd did anything, he'd have got his ass whooped in the Oval Office, yo.
You know what it sound like to me? And I don't want to segue too much, but I just saw a recent video because, what's his name? Nipsey's rest in peace. His brother, they just opened Marathon Burger, and I forgot the guy's name. Some like one of his, damn.
That's okay. Focus, because where we going with this?
No, I'm just saying the encounter. I don't know if you didn't see that video, that viral video.
I didn't see it. No, I see that one. You guys sent it to me. I see that.
So there's a viral video going on right now. That somebody that fuck with Nipsey, you know what I'm saying, one of his peoples, but he pulled up to the grand opening of the Marathon Burger, and apparently he's you know, he's cool, you know, making content with Whack 100. And Sam, which is, you know, Nip's brother, stopped this nigga outside, escorted us like, yo, if you can't be cool with us and this nigga over here disrespecting my brother, and you know what I'm saying, you ain't, you know what I'm saying, saying up for that, but you can't be here. So basically, them niggas kicked that nigga from.
What the fuck? Where did the ER come from? All right, so moving forward. No.
I'm trying to keep a straight face.
Because you are tripping right now.
No.
So.
Yeah, I know he's about to.
All right, so
I got a face too, but I'm trying to keep it straight. No, you ain't see that? Yeah, ain't see that video?
Man.
No,
okay. Video, man. We can talk about it next week.
You know what I'm talking about that? Yo, these niggas make me seem crazy, bro. Anyways, so basically, this nigga got kicked from outside. Like, they pushed this nigga across the street. Told him straight up, yo, you can't come to this shit. You know what I mean? This is a public. This is a public event. You know what I'm saying?
They told me he can't be here at a public event.
You can't be here, bro. This nigga's on the sidewalk. You know what I'm saying?
Right,
that just shows. It just shows. Like, it just. That's just what Trump and that president interaction remind me of.
Yeah,
you know what I'm saying?
It was a little more higher scale than that.
I mean,
once again, if
I'm trying to visualize it because I saw clips of it, but I didn't see it.
A place of no power to someone who has all of this power.
All the cards.
Right? Like,
all the cards.
You would think you would come with like a humble attitude, like, hey, you know.
Chat.
He definitely did though.
When he told
and that's why I pissed everybody off because he didn't come trying to flex or be, you know.
But it's also Trump, like.
Exactly. When the vice president was talking, and he was talking about how Ukraine is, and he was like, "Yo, have you ever been there?" He was like, "Well, I saw videos. I seen."
I'm like,
different...
why? Who goes to the?
Yo, shit, Trump it out there.
Yeah.
But that's his wife was from there.
Where is his wife from?
Ain't it from Russia? Or Ukraine? Or one of them people?
Nah, she's not from Ukraine.
Yeah, that would be funny.
That'd be wild.
I
wouldn't be surprised. That's the wild part.
You see, they say Mexico locked them border.
Yeah, I saw that too.
I did. That's wild.
I saw the gate lock.
So
Slovenia. That's
where that from?
One of those other smaller countries.
Closer to which one of them we know?
Russia.
See, that we are calling. See, we're close. That's why I'm help Putin. We solve the mystery.
I mean, is he? He's also like threatening to tax him and hold him accountable and.
They're my friend. All of that are false. Come in and trust you. But let me ask you, the next thing on Fide, as talking about Mexico, me say Mexico.
A lot of political topics tonight.
Not even nothing to do with the terrorists, but just the locals. Right. Like any American, they're taxing literally like.
As they should.
Anything
wasn't that been a thing though?
No, like, well, if it's been a thing, now it's extreme.
No, okay.
You know what I mean? Just based on what's going on.
Damn.
And even when, I don't know if you see the video when the Mexican president was responding to the terrorists, saying what she's gonna do or how she feels about. She was making a comment on how she feels about the interview with Zelensky and shit. And Trump response was, I think somebody was recording and didn't know, was like, take her out. But it's not like take her out, but it's like make sure she don't win, you know, take her out of power type of vibes. So that shit was, the shit that's going on right now is crazy.
Right. Also, like, we're bigging up events, like, hopefully it won't mess up Cancun drip.
So that and that's what I was trying to lead up to with the tax and shit. So
like
with all of that
interrupting our October activity.
But wouldn't that be? But most of these places that we go to the resort, aren't those like American owned resorts?
No, actually, well, a lot of, and that's what Mexico was upset about, right? I think there's one like resort in the Cancun area that is actually owned by like a Mexican company, and Mexico. Everything else is owned by people in other countries. But to get there, it's not.
You still gotta cross that border.
Yeah, it's not.
You gotta cross that border.
The booking of the resorts is, are we gonna be affected getting there?
Physically,
flying.
Shit. Judge.
Across that border, yo.
And the last Trump move I saw that this might be a wild one. You know how the crazy shit in Gaza, how they done fucked up down there? Why this nigga trying to go down there and build a hotel?
Yeah, that's wild.
I mean, he's trying to.
Is that real?
Again, business.
Is that real?
I don't know.
We don't know, but it's out there. The news is out there.
Yeah, I saw something on that too.
Right? If you make it a tourist area and not a war zone, like
yo, you know it's so crazy though. Have you seen the commercials? Like it's some commercials where it's like some support guys in the commercials that they was playing on Hulu. Like if anybody got ads on their Hulu, I mean some people don't got ads and shit, but but it was like they show like the brighter sides of Gaza and then they show how it really look and everything. It is like support guys in commercials and everything. Like I was showing how beautiful it could be. And then they were showing what it actually is and everything, like showing the different sides of it. Right. But it was that's crazy. With that whole hotel, I'm like, yo, would they make it off of that? Cause if it was beautiful, it would be nice. But damn, a hotel? Like I don't believe that, yo. I don't know. I could be wrong. Yeah. He never ceases to amaze me. So.
But my thing is, if it's a land that's the Israeli and the Palestinians been fighting for
hundreds.
And now it's like, now that we got to move off it, y'all can take it.
Right, I'm about to tell you, I got you. I got you.
Yeah, that's just a wild ass move. For real. But man, I say that's all I got on the Trumpscapade. Yeah,
Trumpscapade.
Yeah, however you pronounce that. And I feel like that's what we'll call it because it's getting to that time. You know what I mean? And I really do appreciate our guests for passing through.
Yo, good to see you.
That's a fact. Yo,
vibing with y'all.
Shouts out to the guests, man.
Yeah, Fox, come on, KK. Then I'll pull up again next Friday. Yo, you have to go pull up more frequent whenever you can because we need Bucky under control.
Yeah, this is a rarity, yo. This is a rarity. I appreciate that.
Yeah, run amok around here.
Let me tell you one time. Let me tell you what happened in the last week's show. I think we asked how your week was. That's all we asked.
This was 2 weeks ago. This was last week.
Our routine is once we come and we check in, how was your week?
We didn't go through that. Yo, shouts out to Maestro, man.
Oh, last weekend?
Yeah, man. That's crazy.
Yeah, fuck.
But no, we don't run forward anyway.
But you gotta have a whole drink for that, man.
What?
Yeah, but yeah, this nigga Bucky took us from how his week went to what he planned for the future.
Yo,
it took literally like a good 15 minutes. We still got
he grew up.
That's like he was like 10 years old.
But the reason why me and Kenny didn't notice, we was rolling up at the same time. And after we got like,
well, this nigga been talking. Like, what you talking about, bruh?
So. Anyway,
I was talking to the child and engaging with the chat.
Yeah, y'all not listening.
Alright, so people, again, like we said, thanks for tuning in. Everybody in the chat. Thank you.
Brunch Sunday.
Ladies, before we get there, shout out y'all social media page again where people can find y'all.
Cam Jams.
Cam Jams.
Yeah.
You need that jingle for that. That name is too funny. Sorry.
Cam
Instagram,
Jams.
that's all the social media I got.
Yeah, spell it out for them, cause my friend can't spell, so I might try it for you.
Yeah, man, I try. What up,
JAMZ.
Yeah, you know her sister, yo. If y'all anything that she promoting, yo, her sister got it too, yo. Y'all done seen it, yo.
So like she said, Cam Jams on Instagram and
just Instagram.
Instagram.
All right. Enough with the old shit.
When they're on social media, I'm gonna get banned.
Too old is insane.
And it's KK Cleaning and Restoration Services on Instagram and on Facebook.
Again, I said that loud and clear for you. KK Cleaning and Restoration Services on Instagram and Facebook and Google.
I appreciate the way you took your time with that, too, man.
Why? Anyway, what? I was but
One up.
That wasn't even.
Now what?
Yeah.
So you ain't gonna beat him?
She remember she knew, you know.
No, you just offered her the shit to beat me, but you ain't gonna tell. Yo,
but, you know what?
I'm
doing that strength fact. I'm doing that strength fact. All right.
So let me say,
Dr. Sound was still late.
And again, we Black History Month just done now. We are trying to support each other better, and the businesses that they offer now is very safe and healthy. You know, we don't know what
Of a
going
Women's History Month, right?
Women's
Yeah.
Women's History Month.
this
This
month.
month, yeah.
This month. And it's Women's History
Chilla
Day,
Lord.
like a Women's Appreciation
Chilla
or
Lord.
something
Shout
today.
out
Chilla.
Women entrepreneurs out there.
The chopper.
I think today,
Woman
like,
is the first chopper.
Yo,
The
man, like
first
see
chopper
woman
in
work,
history
you
is
know.
woman.
Not like a woman in uniform.
But
Where did that come from?
Right.
What's wrong with that?
I think you had
What?
too much red stripe.
What uniform?
I only had that.
you drink all of them over
It's the rum. It's the rum.
But just say like.
It's the rum.
But like I said, the women
Yeah,
are the
yeah.
first choppers in history. Cause remember say woman in my first way.
Yeah, he said
Sit
a
down
woman in
and money come to
uniform.
them, you know. Cause remember say woman used to make their husband go out and he just collect check, you know.
Wait,
The first chopper them in that history.
Yo, yeah, they
Yo.
bugging, bro.
okay.
I just said, you know what?
Bucky.
Bucky,
Alright,
yo.
no, not saying him again, make you say more things, man.
Yo.
We are trying to
Yo,
wrap up
Bucky
the show.
need a sitcom or something, yo. Okay.
He needs to sit calm. That's what he needs to do.
Yo, what?
Yo.
Again, people.
Chat.
Another
Shout out.
episode of
We
Vibes
love
Friday, each and every Friday
We
we're
love
there
it.
from 9
We
p.m.
can't
until we
wait.
decide
We
to
can't wait
shut the
that
fuck
time.
up. But if you leave it to Bucky, you know we're
We
there
can't
till
wait.
tomorrow morning. Tomorrow night,
Damn.
Sky Lounge, Uncle Tommy Earthstrong, the whole
Yep.
squad is there out live. And then after that,
I'm gonna be
the
my ski
hangover
mask.
party. Camslovers Rock Brunch.
Yeah, you know
That
what's
a
crazy?
Sunday.
Uncle Tommy, I got that door. I bet you.
A theme party.
Mm-hmm. You know, so people don't think that I found it free. Uncle Tommy, I got that door. I want party. And you know them, but they don't get no. So yeah, tomorrow night and then a new co-host brunch Sunday. I mean, say I'll be exclusive food over there, so you can follow the Hungry Belly. But make sure you get the ticket them tonight or by midnight tomorrow. So them have 8 more minutes, forget it today.
This is 8 moments for?
Forget it today. And then by midnight tomorrow, I forget the ticket to you. You can't show up at the door like a club
They
and
got a
forward.
whole another 24 hours.
I just said that. And
Yeah,
just
that-
more words. Anyways,
that, but
play
anyway,
some tune
people-
them on so we can clock
I
out.
got me a blood clot. You already know some
Big up to
people.
the guests them once more. Big up to the chat. Dr. Sarah was late.
Yo, big shouts out to Bucky. He love a woman in uniform, yo.
Yeah, whatever.
No, Mr. I love our working one.
That's not what you said.
I said that first and then I said I love woman. That's why I was like, you know what, they
We know,
got
we
me.
know what we heard, yo.
Bro, that's what I said. Y'all just didn't hear the first part of the statement. Oh, my nice.
Everybody, again, this is your boy Dennis. This is Vibes Friday. We're there every Friday from 9 p.m. until. Shout out to Mr. Allin. Shout out to Livevybz Production. Online Livevybz. Everybody, we gotta take out the Friday now. Again, shout out to our guests for passing through. We are full
No, before yeah with them on Jesus. Yeah, my country problem it passes us. Because now we be our own problem. Yeah, now who can reason well. Ambassador go the trade, and governor go the trade, and president go the trade. When they say make we jump, we go jump. Some people go somersault. Them dirty headache we go drink Panadol. Meanwhile president go the trade.
Again, everybody, go like the video outside of the chat. Yeah. And follow up. Share everything. Share the live. Comment on the live. And go like all the other videos on the Livevybz page. Follow us on Instagram at Livevybz TV and all the other social media handles, right? I don't know, ladies. They just say it's Women History Month. So follow Gallus J on Instagram, right? Cause you know I cater to y'all, right? For the ladies, again.
Ambassador go the trade, and governor go the trade, and president go the trade. When they say make we jump, go there. Some people go somersault. Them dirty headache we go drink Panadol. Meanwhile president life, they fear too much. We fear the thing we not see. One day all of us go die. We always get reason to fear. Fight for your right to start up. I'm killing them shit. Because I swear to